Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Hamster Kombat game on your phone. First step is to open the App Store. Now after opening your App Store, you can see the search icon on the bottom right corner. Click on it and on the search bar type in Hamster Kombat. Now after you click on the search bar, you can see different options here, but none of these are the official Hamster Kombat game. So to download the official Hamster Kombat game, you have to first download the Telegram application. On the search bar, type in Telegram and click on search. You can see this option, Telegram Messenger. Click on it and click on download if you haven't downloaded this app before. Now after your download is completed, you can click on open and create an account for free. Now after you open this application, you can see the search bar on the top side. Click on it and type in Hamster Kombat. Now click on channels, and here you can see this Hamster Kombat announcement with a blue tick, which means it is the official channel. So click on it. Scroll until you see this play option here. Click on play, and here it will show a pop-up message like this. If you want to launch this application, click on launch. Now simply click on this arrow here and click on this play button. And following this simple and easy step, you have successfully downloaded Hamster Kombat on iOS device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.